Are you sitting on a pile of used final drive cores? Don't let them gather dust. At Texas Final Drive, our core buyback program is here to turn your used parts into cash. Here's how it works. If you've recently replaced a final drive, you may have the old core just lying around. Instead of letting it go to waste, send it to us. Step 1 is easy. Just reach out to our team by phone or email and let us know you have a core for buyback. We'll give you a quick estimate on what it's worth. Next, pack up your core and send it our way. We'll provide you with clear instructions to make the process as smooth as possible. Once we receive and evaluate your core, you'll get paid, either in cash or in a credit toward your next Texas Final Drive purchase. It's as simple as that. By participating in the core buyback program, you're not just putting money back in your pocket. You're helping us remanufacture quality parts that get other machines back to work, reducing waste and supporting a more sustainable industry. So don't let those old cores go to waste. Turn them into cash with Texas Final Drive's core buyback program. Get in touch today and find out how your used parts can be worth more than you think.